Ever wondered why we hiccup? Hiccups happen when our diaphragm spasms unexpectedly. Imagine your diaphragm like a balloon that suddenly pops. This can happen due to eating too fast or drinking soda. Sometimes it's just a surprise or a sudden laugh. Even spicy foods can trigger hiccups. Most hiccups go away quickly, but some can last longer. If they last too long, it might be a sign of something more. For most, a simple remedy like holding your breath works. Hiccups are just our body's quirky way of reacting. So next time you hiccup, remember it's all part of being human. And who knows, it might even lead to a funny story. So embrace those hiccups. They're just a part of life. What's your funniest hiccup story?